Nice view, eh? Berarti become kami.
Stations train through to Hamilton Police Change. Oxford, please take care when exiting Welsh Train. Working on Hamilton Police Change. Oxford.
Ito kita ada juga. Kita ulang lagi semua dari Morissette. Oh, kita saat minggu di Morissette, oh nak, wah kia, Morissette. Morissette no, train station.
What about that Mickey? What's going on? What's going on with you? Right? I'm just trying to work out when it's safe to move in.
To move in, yeah.
It's safe to move in. Hey? Oh, you got shoes like mine. Yeah? Oh my goodness.
Dada.
Alright, Jay, you hold her for a little bit, Dada.
Hello, Jay.
Just help her get up.
Hello, Jaden. Papa. Oh, good. Chick.
Doesn't take long, the kids, does it?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Oh. It's like the Jaden. Hi, Jay. Hi, Jaden.
Just get past me then, no one come on that.
What? Eh?
Wala ka walay. Oh, okay. Alam mo lang ka.
Lambalik ko ka?
Tapos ko pa ng instinct.
Sa Apasit 25th of June, isang Sunday, mataglibay. Rubalawak ya. Model.
She's got, I think she's still got the skin of the breast and that. Yeah.
She knows it's hard,
Does she need to fix her chest to do it?
Shanna, it's alright.
You didn't like
No,
it?
yeah, maybe.
You didn't like it?
I have to do it on our laptop. Hold on. Okay, give me 5 minutes.
Iya.
Jangan lama nak kalah malah bos.
Anak, ada di rumah anak.
Oh ya siapa ya? Dalam apa ini? Iya oke, hold on. I do the laptop.
What's
Hold
happening?
on.
Bos ya?
Iya. Ya lah banggur. Ada mana mistake or rewind? Yang kami nak maruan mana kau saya sini kau eh?
Hain bultale, oke tolak kecingan balik ni Ellen White. Sunnyside. vale Ellen White.
Where the ink went, and she would write, this is her backing, and these drawers were for storing various papers and so on. She did a lot of her writing even at night. She'd wake up and light a kerosene lamp and some candles. This Bible is the same size, the same weight as the one that Ellen White held in vision. Do you remember how long she held it for? About half an hour. And as she held it, she kept turning the pages, pointing at verses and quoting them exactly. People got up on the chair and had a look to see, and she was pointing at the verse that she was quoting. And what's more, she was speaking all of that time and not breathing. Now you try sometime soon and see how long you can speak without stopping and taking a breath. You just can't. But she did.
How
Now,
heavy is the Bible?
It's heavy. It says do not touch, but I'm allowed to let you.
What? How many kilos?
It's
It's got the weight.
Oh, I think if
It's about 11 pounds myself to work
and what's more, she tended to hold it out fairly straight.
Yeah, so she can.
Yeah.
This is not a big lady.
No, you'll notice this picture is a picture of the first church here. This was the church for the college and the community, and it was right where the big red church is now. Have you seen the big red brick church?
in the college.
Just as you turn into the college drive.
Memorial.
Oh, Memorial.
Memorial.
Yes, Memorial Church. And this one was in that same spot, and when they started to build the Memorial Church, they built the frame all over the top and kept using this church until the framework was pretty much finished and walls and so on had been started, and then they had to take this church out and complete the memorial. But the pulpit in
Same
the
exact
Memorial
location.
Church is in the same place
As it
the
was.
pulpit used to be in the old college church. And you'll be interested to know that the first person from the islands that was ordained as a Seventh-day Adventist minister was Paulia Simbunoa from
Fiji.
Fiji. And he was ordained in that church, right where the pulpit is now.
I see.
This is the pulpit from that church.
Oh,
And Ellen White often spoke from this pulpit, and she used to stand on this because she was a
small.
bit too short, and that helped to lift her up just a little bit.
Ellen White's handwriting.
This was the way she produced her work. You'll notice her writing is fairly neat. Now, when she first started writing, she had a great deal of trouble, even with the writing, making it clear enough for secretaries to read, and her spelling was not so good. Her grammar had to be helped from time to time, and she expected some of her assistants to help with that kind of thing. But she had years as a writer. She wrote about 100,000 sheets of manuscript, 100,000 of them, and she published, or had published while she was still alive, 46 books. This little picture is the way it was about the end of her life, with her books piled up compared with the height of her person. But since then, a whole lot more books have been compiled. They've taken writings on various subjects and put them together. She is the most prolific modern woman writer, or woman writer for any time, and the one who has been translated the most. Now, if you look down on that bottom line, you'll find that all of those are copies of Steps to Christ.
In various languages.
Gambar-gambar which is the
You have a look at this as you're coming past. That's nothing to do with Ellen White. It's the work of a Korean prisoner of war. It took him 4 years, and it's actually the Gospel of John. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. If you look up there, that's where it starts. But if you look carefully enough, and if your eyes are good enough, you can see the actual words. And he made the picture only by pressing harder. And
It's so clever, isn't it?
It's very
amazing.
clever.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's a picture made out of words.
That's the whole of the Gospel of John.
Yeah.
So he wrote this with his hands?
Yeah.
The small one?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Used to claim that this was her prayer room. That is not true. This was a passageway, and there was a door there, and they went to the kitchen, which was a separate building outside. Like we do in the islands, where we have the house and we have the kitchen separate. If the kitchen has a little bonfire in it, and it gets burnt down, the house isn't.
Yeah.
But that chair was one that she had in her bedroom, and she actually would sit in it at night and read and write.
The second one.
Pandai.